Azure AI Speech is a service provided by Microsoft enabling developers to integrate advanced text-to-speech (TDS) and speech-to-text (STT) functionalities in applications. Part of the Azure Cognitive Services suite, Speech Service helps in creating apps that can process speech audio, transcribe spoken words, and generate realistic speech from text. It supports various languages, dialects, and voice styles, facilitating natural user interfaces like voice-controlled virtual assistants and accessible technology for individuals with disabilities. Leveraging Azure Speech, developers enhance application interactivity, improving user experiences by implementing sophisticated communication strategies easily accessible through cloud APIs. Azure Cognitive Services is Microsoft's comprehensive collection of cloud-based AI services designed to empower developers to implement intelligent features in their applications with minimal effort. It encompasses applied artificial intelligence domains such as natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, conversational AI, and speech processing. Previously covered NLP functionalities such as sentiment analysis, language detection, and translation set a foundation that seamlessly integrates with Azure Speech Services. By combining these capabilities, Azure empowers developers to build intelligent solutions handling complex scenarios and interactions, enhancing user engagement, and enabling advanced analytics and insights. Speech-to-text (STT) technology translates spoken language into written text, facilitating functionalities like dictation, transcription, and voice command recognition. Azure's STT service leverages powerful machine learning algorithms trained on extensive linguistic datasets, enabling precise transcription capabilities across multiple languages and dialects. Core components include audio recognition, language models, and acoustic models. Audio input is first pre-processed, then aligned against acoustic models trained on diverse speech data. Language models contextualize speech input, recognizing words and phrases accurately. Azure STT can adapt to specialized vocabulary for specific industry contexts, significantly enhancing transcription accuracy in technical or specialized application scenarios. Azure provides software development kits, SDKs, tailored for various platforms including .NET, JavaScript, Java, Python, and iOS/Android, facilitating straightforward integration of speech-to-text functionalities. Developers must first set up Microsoft Azure accounts and create speech service resources via Azure Portal. Authentication utilizes subscription keys sourced from Azure resources. Sample SDK implementation includes initiating speech recognition, handling audio input, and processing transcribed results via callbacks or synchronous methods. Cloud-based recognition enables scalability, reliability, and easy maintenance. Python import Azure.cognitive services.speech as speech_config equals speech config. Subscription equals your subscription key. Region equals your service region. Speech recognizer equals speech recognizer. Speech_config equals speech_config. Result equals speech_recognizer, recognize_once. Print, result.text. Azure Speech-to-Text service supports real-time transcription, making it ideal for live events, real-time captions, and interactive applications where responsiveness is crucial. Real-time transcription involves streaming audio data continuously from users to Azure cloud infrastructure, generating immediate, near-instant transcript outputs. Azure manages low latency through optimized streaming protocols and cloud infrastructure distributed globally. Optimal performance depends on stable and fast network connections. Developers must implement client-side handling for continuous recognition events and intermediary results processing. Azure notably provides partial transcriptions, immediate feedback to users, and finalized transcripts, enhancing user experience in real-time interactive scenarios. Azure allows customization of speech-to-text models tailored to company-specific terminology, brand vocabulary, or industry jargon. Custom models adapt standard Azure acoustic and language models by incorporating domain-specific terms, significantly improving transcription accuracy. Developers create customized language models through Azure Speech Studio by uploading text corpora relevant to their domain-specific vocabulary. In acoustic model customization, developers supply audio samples representing unique vocal characteristics or recording conditions pertinent to their use case. Azure then retrains its model parameters to better accommodate these specifics, significantly increasing accuracy rates for niche applications like healthcare, legal, or technology sectors. Text-to-speech, TDS, systems generate audible speech from textual content using linguistic, acoustic, and prosodic components. Azure's TTS technology leverages advanced neural network-based algorithms, producing highly natural, human-like speech quality. Users select from various voices, languages, and speaking styles to match application needs. TDS operates by first analyzing input text to determine pronunciation, phonetics, and expression. Then, neural networks synthesize audio output mimicking natural speech patterns and inflections. Application scenarios of Azure TDS include accessibility features, virtual assistants, automated customer services, and personalized announcements, providing enhanced accessibility and improved user engagement. Implementing text-to-speech with Azure involves configuring SDK libraries appropriately per development environment. Typical implementation requires provisioning speech resources in Azure Portal, obtaining authentication keys, then integrating relevant SDK components into the application backend. Example: Python import azure.cognitiveservices.speech as speech_config equals speech config, subscription equals your subscription key, region equals your service region. Speech_config, speech_voice_name equals, and U as Genie neural synthesizer equals speech synthesizer. Speech_config equals speech_config. Result equals synthesizer, speak_config for async. Hello, this is Azure speech-to-text demonstration. This simplifies the conversion from textual input to audible speech, enabling practical usage within diverse types of applications easily. Voice customization allows developers to personalize text-to-speech outputs with unique branded voices or localized dialects, significantly enriching user interactions and application immersion. Azure supports customized neural voices using Speech Studio, guiding users through model creation processes for voice sample datasets. Users prepare high-quality recorded audio sentences alongside textual transcripts, then submit training data into Azure infrastructure. The system trains complex neural models recognizing and replicating provided voice characteristics, ensuring personalized and precise representation. Customized voices thus benefit sectors demanding voice branding or specific communication styles, enhancing user connectivity and brand consistency significantly. Combining Azure's text-to-speech and speech-to-text services delivers powerful, interactive applications. These integrations give rise to features like conversational AI, voice bots, real-time translations, and interactive voice response systems. Developers design systems initiating voice-to-text recognition, processing input data contextually, and responding dynamically through synthesized speech outputs in real time. Integration leverages SDK synchronization strategies like event-driven programming and asynchronous handling via Azure SDK components. Synergic combination of these services provides robust, versatile capabilities essential for applications engaging users through voice interfaces effectively, enhancing accessibility and natural interactivity significantly. Azure Speech Services incorporate stringent security standards and compliance protocols suited for diverse industry regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO 27001. Security measures include encrypted communications between client and cloud services, data encryption at rest and in transit, identity management, and role-based access control. Users maintain data privacy through Azure's robust security privacy frameworks, ensuring confidentiality and controlled data access. Compliance is certified via regular independent audits and attestation affirmations, providing assurances crucial within regulated industries. Developers utilizing Azure AI Speech benefit from safeguarded AI-driven speech technologies while confidently deploying solutions within secure, regulatory-compliant environments. Optimize audio input quality for accurate recognition, select appropriate languages and acoustic models matching users' dialects and domain needs, implement suitable handling mechanisms for partial and complete speech recognition outputs, ensure minimal latency through reliable backend connections, and optimize stream management, leverage Azure Analytics tools to monitor usage trends and service performance. Regularly update custom training models reflecting vocabulary or voice pattern evolutions. Prioritize user data security compliance guidelines during implementation. Adhering to these practices ensures highly efficient, accurate, secure, and user-friendly Azure AI speech service integrations.